Mike, we've talked a little bit about AB 356. It's that state law that is prohibiting the use of Colorado River water to irrigate non-functional grass here in the next couple of years. Can you just explain a little bit and give some background to our listeners about the law and why it was enacted?
Yeah, absolutely, Bronson. So as many of our listeners know, Southern Nevada has an extremely limited water supply. We have the smallest allocation on the Colorado River at just 1.8%. And 90% of our community's water supply is dependent on that small 1.8% allocation. Of that water that our community uses, outdoor irrigation on landscaping reflects the largest consumptive use in our community. So eliminating thirsty grass in areas that don't provide a public benefit other than how it looks is one way that we can help conserve water and address any future uncertainty. So eliminating thirsty grass is exactly what AB 356 aims to do.